Hey friends, if you encounter the error operating system couldn't be loaded because a critical system driver is missing or contains errors, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disconnect peripherals. Okay, why? Because a lot of peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. push their drivers to the system, and when they push their drivers to the system, it causes a conflict with the existing drivers on the system, and that can lead to this problem. Now here's the thing, I'll show you what this error looks like. Like, you are not able to boot into Windows, you get this error here. Okay, and when you encounter this error, it's obvious that you cannot boot into the system going further. So in this case, you can enter using the safe mode. You'll get the option there and perform an SFC scan. Now, let me show you what an SFC scan looks like. Search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. And the last one is to clean install the system, and this is to be done using a bootable pen drive, because there's no other option left. If there are no drivers, and it's an issue with the operating system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.